Hi guys, tonight I'm just going to paint a huge abstract landscape. Let's see what happens. I'm excited. I'm always excited by this. White piece of paper, it's big. We'll just see what we can create. Let's go. I'm going to wet some of the page up here. All my paints, paper, brushes will be in the description below, so check that out. Need something a bit bigger than that. A nice big hake brush. And wet down here. Let's get a bit of cerulean blue to begin with. A bit of cerulean blue just up in here. The light source. I don't have many tissues left, so I've got to be a bit careful compared to my normal blasé approach to tissues. A bit of Winsor red, eh? Let's just feather that a bit. Grab a good dollop of this cobalt blue light red mix, my favourite mix of all time. Let's get a bit more up here. Let's just get a little bit of cerulean blue up there. A little bit more of this and just get a bit more strength. More strength up here. Beautiful. Let's tilt a bit. Right, so I'm going to put onto a little card bit here, a bit of French Ultra and a bit of burnt umber. See how this goes, hey? Bit more burnt umber. Just mix it on the palette. Just going to get a little bit of raw sienna on there. So I just sprayed out a bit here and it's just come down here a bit. I think I'm going to go darker. We'll just get a little bit of lamp black on here. Right, I think it's time to dry this and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, this is going in a different direction now. I just had a look at this and I like this upside down. This is like first light here on the horizon. Very gorgeous. So now I've got to figure out what I'm going to do with this bit down here. I think I'm just going to get my huge hake brush and just fill this in so that this is dark and this becomes the subject. So this is all going to be dark. That'll be interesting. So we're going to get Frencher, Ultra, fair bit of burnt umber. We're just going to fill this in. Let's before we do that, I'm just going to wet the page a bit. Lovely. A bit of lamp black on there for good measure. So I'm sure some of you are going to be crying right now, but all right, I'm going to dry this and we'll see if it's done. All right, so I'm just going to try and smooth this out so that this is the subject. Just going to get a razor. Wow, it's just probably turning into a mess, but anyway, we'll just keep going. Sorry if you can't see everything, sorry, it's a bit impossible. All right, I think this is finished. I've got to dry it, but I actually really like this bit of light here. This is the subject, and I love it. If this doesn't change too much during the drying process, I'll be a very happy man. And this is nice because it's got a bit of texture, but not too much to draw the eye. The only very interesting thing about this is this bit here. This stroke in here is like pretty eye capturing. But I don't think I want to do anything about that. I think it's just interesting. It's a strong armature in towards this subject matter. Beautiful, beautiful gloaming light. Like, look at that light on the horizon. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice. I don't know what you guys think, but considering where this was heading, to a train wreck, I'm pretty happy. Pretty nice. All right, I'm not going to dry this with a hairdryer because I'm worried I'm going to stuff it up. So I'm just going to leave it, totally leave it. Thanks for joining me tonight. I really hope you enjoy this process. I'm not really ever sure what's going to happen, and I really enjoy that not really knowing. And I really love this end result of this light on the horizon line. It's just those sorts of things, when I see it in real life, really makes my heart sing. So that's what I love to paint, or try to just capture in some way. So if you like this video, it'd be lovely if you pressed like. If you want to know about future videos, press the subscribe button, press the bell button. And if you want some more help with your watercolors, you can join me on Patreon, where I have heaps of other videos on there, including some courses on there that you could follow along to. So I'd love to see you on there, and good night. Thanks for your support. See you next week. Good night.